past record, which have no correlation with problems now. So doesn't even know the time at home. No wonder. The longest serving regional minister, when you be Asante Memua, who was a not bank with doing control. And what to interfere you?
Really? But he's been doing press conferences at Oche hospitals. Oche. No, spontaneity. And to say, Basse, who be some assembly be a Muriwa.
Omanhene, and you crum, eating, who are feeding Umamidi, you know. Yabusa Krumdi, Yabusa Fiawadi, Umapedi, Umamidi, and it's all you know once and one can. Instantaneous.
Yes.
And a whole regional minister. Near just a camp project.
What's the project you will be?
And one cup I coupe. Now, what sound could be my response? That's our response, no? Dear na Baba Yamano.
Okay.
Winning BB.
Catch me.
President Rollins, who said the last final year, no Utukwa. Utukwa, he was saying, whether I'm in Ghana or not, the country is peaceful, the country is stable. While investment will be, you can even increase the investment or more and more. Senate President Rollins, yes, our statements, one will find a way to understand Alena Wedding.
Oh, yeah.
Because he came from a military background, because of one day on hand over one call. When he was saying, say,
I want to hand over to.
No,
Ghana will not slip into political turmoil. He's giving them assurance.
Are there indications now? One community. I didn't know. One be a Ghana a political term one community. Unless otherwise, will be because sir statement is untenable. It is absolutely needless at this time. One community say, I have seen as a commander in chief, I am privy to this. Namunum until me say one community. A very blasphemous statement. I am telling you.
Blasphemous?
Blasphemous. Because we've come a long way. We've come a very long way. I didn't know why Nigerians said Ghana was slipping into what? A political temple.
What if he's privy to something you
one community?
Then you also know my diverge such information.
And President Rollins promoted democracy or nature democracy. He doesn't even believe in multi-party democracy. He said on countless occasions. He took a friend said the bed need to promote democracy and nature because that was what Nigeria at that time. President Kufuor came, uphold and entrench what? Democracy. President Mills came, solidify it. And my democracy, one will take it to the next level, say, he will be a father for all. And entrench democracy. President Mahama, bye. He continued with it. And I'm now beginning to understand the Ntebia Oke Kasano. Because President Ekufu at the time,
he
reign as a president, we've experienced a huge governance deficit.
Governance deficit?
I'm telling you.
How?
It is clear. Share. You didn't allow the core office in less than a week. At the seat of the president. Okay, ASP Nankambrus. Didn't see it.
He was beaten.
Beaten. CCTV cameras are capturing the penina. Be seen there. I said, sit in front of you. Given as you home. The people were identified. Then as you home. The term in the history of Ghana, Ghana is 67 years.
Yeah.
Say, gang be belonging to a political party have invaded a law court. Ebiesida. Yakoyi Yankrofo. Yantiasia. Invisible for. Very strange. na do baby a abuse democracy friends judiciary crowd. A plethora of them. Now, you can see, say, your friends say, a president, what can one thing at a time? Now, only 2 minutes no. He is doing on the contrary. I will protect the national purse. I will not run a friends and family government. Mm-hmm. What do we see today? Nepotism and cronyism at the highest level are even see that. Yes, it is clear. Or clear appointees. This is the other package, love letter. I know you come out with what flying colors. Your integrity will be upheld. And true. And then share confusion OSP Attorney General. And I pay Uti Joy News. So sad. Governance deficit. State institutions, Juma Ubia Tumra. Reference to Akunta mining. Mines finance. It's Mines Commission or Minerals Commission. Forestry for actually say no, Akunta mining wa ko forest it's already. Okum. Wakoya activities ho. You say okonam ho. And think because wako digala ho. State institutions mandated by the constitution. No man permit public space.
So BBI
undermining state institutions. So if I'm claiming that the term we've experienced a huge governance deficit.
Okay.
Yes. Pius Hajide. Committee said in a buy with the platforms no clear. Recently, what commission investigations into what? SML.
Yeah.
Yes. And no chi afedie. Oma fa chiri. GR ne a friends. GMPs Oma cancel 2 contracts with a friends.
SML.
And one no money say demand nkofo ye kwana. Nya dia nkofo eye dia maye. Obe commission investigations and probe into Cocoa Rose. Where is the report? Now nkofo be gina bon say there is a roader. Ya what contract. Contract ya ye chiaka. Sa contract no ya punish no. To date, Cocoa Rose report yenya a whole PRO of Cocoa Board. Ever tell TV say this is the report, but I can't open it. Is this good governance? Report to crowd. Yen state in the why your public pronouncement say there are roads ya what ye chiesika. Yen kwano sanko for no yam punish obia. So how do you protect the national purse? And probably or be beer. Or no one in India, a general Yamshia or say that Ghana Bay. But let me assure him, baby, a democracy with their Babiduno. We've built confidence in that system. And we have faith in, say, baby, a year corner. It will get to a point, you bring a new dimension. A bit my properly and the other and to Ghana, nobody is interested. Nobody. Absolutely. Say Ghana will slip into political term. Never. In fact, I will say military high command required you take him on.
Take who on?
The president.
The commander in chief.
Yes.
How do you take him on?
But the statement here we're making, Upa Frey, service commanders in the back home. Ni Bushana, the candidate opinion. The information on the man. The information in the man. And I the
magnitude of the statement, no.
This country is very peaceful.
Maybe he's giving an assurance, say, as leader. Mama Yam say, Abia Yakotoa Bass, and Ghana Phobi, ye Jira Hre no. Bibia, why be see, Bashama, Pepe Yane, Asumbiabo, men, Yabetua Bakano, Biam Shishano. Says I am to send Abia, oh, yes, and near Ma. That's why I asked you earlier, say, where are the indicators? Say BBC.
Yes. Demonstration to be a part of what? Democracy. Yeah, the express here, and my buffet in a tough form. Then we move on to negotiate and discuss. And you know what has happened? And I say, ulterior motive be. Because the way I was here, I'll hand over to MPP government. Mahama cannot succeed me, no. Koba say, friend saying, well, Lucia, on prayer no, I bet some can say Ghana, I slip into what? Debbie. Sabi in some here say also, or catch it on my way. And he say, unemployment in a Washington, he's working on it. He a high debt levels, no. I mean, I call junk status, no. He's working on it. Doom he's working on it. Other perennial challenges are what escalating. New fee or young wage. These are some of the things I am expecting. But I won't put the blame on him. Because last year, no, I can't say, on one month, as he sits as the president, he has nothing to offer. And to ensure a bank for a war ban him. Now, your problems now, no, or the abano. Abandon me in few of my. And I'm a cousin, honorable Emian. Near checking a catch your last 3 months like a last year. Near for this year, the income. Near entitlement in not one question of you. At least we will make some savings. The travel expenditure on Kuadia, you be safe. Because I also want my baby, I don't want to be a I
know there are problems, but the next government will come and
we'll give you up. He's lost the steam. No wonder. So on one party internal matters, he's adding fuel to it.
Which one?
And I know everything. Why the first one? Second one. And I would him say this party the woman. Say that over to party. Me who be you. Me JB Darocha. Udo size Pitala JT CK Tedet name them. Ajenim Boakye omuti party we fufo. Na remember your party many pressure normally to as well. Me remember nasa.
Mami fonsi ameba.
Remember nasa.
Mami bwa ejegum. Ese mo mema so.
Ono anim se emema wo pa. Oh menchia etiefo na yen na yankopon ase wo said me ofa kan no ira asantemanra